Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be talking about, or we will have a tutorial in how to read a multitester. So by the way, students, we have two types of multitester. We have the analog and we also have the digital multitester. Of course, for the sake of this lesson, we will use the analog multitester. So in analog, students know we have to read it per graduation or manually in order for us to have the unit or the value or the measurement. While in digital, all you have to do is to read what is projected on the screen of your multitester. First, we will have the resistance. So dito po makikita yung mga ranges or selection natin for resistance. We have times 1, times 10, times 100, and times 1K. And we also have times 100K dito. Ayan. Sige, so gagamitin din natin yung scale. So dito tayo magbabasa. So merong mga numero dyan at mga tinatawag na per graduation. So, simulan na natin paano magbasa ng resistance sa multitester. So, para hindi tayo malito sa pagtingin pa lang ng ating scale, no, madaming numero at mga per graduation ang nakikita natin. Pero always remember, in resistance, we will just focus in the section. So, the rest of the numbers, the rest of the scales, per graduation, we will just disregard it. So, disregard muna natin itong nasa baba. Sa taas tayo lahat mag-focus. Ayan, starting from 0 ohms up to 1K ohms or 2K ohms or hanggang dito sa infinity symbol. And this is different from regular reading kasi magbabasa tayo, diba, from left to right. Pero in resistance, we will start from the right to left. So, pabaliktad naman siya. At meron tayong tinatawag na per graduation. Ano ba ang per graduation? Per graduation is yung mga bawat guhit. Ito yung bawat guhit, no? Dito sa ating multitester. At every guhit is meron siyang different basa. Sige, para malaman natin yun, let's have the table. 0 to 2, the per graduation reading is 0.2. Ang per guhit or per linya, ibig sabihin, ang basa is 0.2. So, next, ranges from 2 to 10. Ang basa naman per graduation is 0.5. For 10 to 20 scale or range, ang basa naman ng bawat guhit dyan is 1. And 20 to 50 is 2. 50 to 100 is 5. And 100 to 200 is 20. Sige, para mas maintindihan natin kung ano yung pinagsasabi ko, let's start from range 0 to 2. Ilalagay ko dito sa baba ang table para guided kayo. So, how about, or assuming that your pointer points in this section. So, dito tayo. So, pwede natin i-zoom in. So, 0. So, ano nga? Or ilan ang basa per graduation? 0.2. So, start tayo sa 0.2, 0.4. So, ibig sabihin, kapag nandito ang ating pointer, ang reading dito is 0.4 ohms. How about kapag ganito or nandito ang ating pointer? So, sabay-sabay tayong magbasa. Start tayo from 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 ohms is our reading. Sige, how about this one? Sige nga, kayo ang magbilang. Pwede nyo i-pause para malaman yung nakukuha nyo na ba ang ating discussion or kulang pa. So, let's start from 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8. Next is 1, not 10. So we will continue 1.2, 1.4, and 1.6 ohms ang basa natin dyan. Ayan, so sana nakuha natin ang ating first ranges. Again, next tayo. So, sa mga susunod na slide, tatanungin ko kayo kung ano yung basa nyo sa ating mga susunod na pictures. So, subukan yung magbasa. Sige, let's have ranges 0 to 10. So, what is our per graduation for ranges 0 to 10? Let's check the chart. We have 0.5. So, for this example, ayan, nandito ang ating needle or pointer ng ating multitester. Let's read 3.5 is the reading for this example. Sige, let's have another. So, kayo ang magbabasa. And time is up. Sige, tignan natin kung nakakuha ba kayo ng tamang sagot. So, pwede na kayo magsimula dito, students, kasi kumbaga given na siya. Always remember lang kung ano yung per graduation, which is 0.5. So, we have 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, 7.5, 8, 8.5. Therefore, our reading is 8.5 ohms. So, sana nakukuha na natin. Nagiging malinaw na. How about for this one? Sige, try to answer. So, pwede tayo magsimula dito sa 5. 5.5. 6. 6.5. If your answer is 6.5, then you are correct. Let's have ranges 10 to 20. So, for ranges 10 to 20, our per graduation is 1. Subukan nating magbasa. Pero, bibigyan ko kayo ng segundo para basahin kung ano ang reading ng ating multitester kapag nandito ang ating pointer. Your time starts now. Sobrang dali lang nito kasi 1 ang basa natin. So, hindi tayo malilito. And time is up. What is your answer? So, again, per graduation is 1. So, we have 10, 11, 12. If your answer is 12 ohms, then you are correct. Another example. How about for this one? What is your answer? If your answer is 14 ohms, then you are correct. Very good. See, another example. 1 ang basa, bawat graduation. If your answer is 16, then you are correct. 16 ohms. So let's now move forward and let's have ranges 20 to 50. So for 20 to 50, we have 2 ang reading per graduation. Subukan yung basahin ano ang reading ng ating multitester for this example. Okay, time is up. Let's check if you are correct. 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. If your answer is 28 ohms, then you are correct. Very good. Let's have another example. How about for this one? Ayan, alam kong sobrang nakukuha nyo na at nadadalian na kayo kung paano magbasa ng multitester. We have 32 ohms. Ayan, very good. How about this one? What is your answer? 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, and 44. If your answer is 44 ohms, then you are correct. Again, very good. So, ganun lang kadali. Paano basahin si multitester sa resistance? Next, let's have ranges 50 to 100. So, 50 to 100, we have 5. Sige nga, hulaan nyo or basahin nyo this one. So we have 60, 70, 80, 90, 95 ohms. If your answer is 95 ohms, then you are correct. Very good. Let's have ranges 100 to 200. So ang reading naman natin dyan is 20. Sige nga, pakibasa ako, students, for this example. If your answer is 100, 120, 140, 160, if your answer is 160 ohms, then your answer is correct. And para naman sa remaining students, no, so we have 200, 250. So, 50 na tayo dito. Next is 300, 400, and 500. So, 50, 100, 100 na per graduation dito. And then, gagawin na lang natin sa remaining is babasahin 1K ohms and 2K ohms. So, ganun lang kadali. At hindi pa dyan nagtatapos, students. Ang una lang natin ginawa is ang unang step pa. Kung saan, paano basahin yung scale niya. So, balik tayo dito sa ating range selector knob. So, sa ating range selector knob, makikita natin yung times 1, times 10, times 100, and times 100K. So, ang gagawin lang natin, students, is i-multiply natin kung anong range ang na-select ng ating range selector knob. Sige, let's have an example. So, in our range selector knob, we can choose between times 1, times 10, times 100, times 1K, and we also have times 100K. So, all you have to do is, students, is you must multiply the value on the meter by times 10. Example, kapag nasa 10 siya, yung ating range selector knob. For example, if the meter reads 13.5 ohms, the actual resistance is 135 ohms because we will multiply the 13.5 with the range times 10. So therefore, magbabasa din tayo dito sa ating range selector knob, hindi lang pala doon sa basa ng ating multitester dito or ng ating pointer. So basahin natin to dito and we will multiply it sa anong range ang ating range selector knob. Sige, for example, read the scale. So first, babasahin muna natin dito kung saan nakalagay ang ating pointer. Sige, ang ating per graduation is 0.2. So ano ba ang basa natin dyan? Basa is 0.2, and then we will set our range selector knob by times 10. So 0.2 times 10. Therefore, our reading is 2 ohms. So, multiplier or the range setting. Sige, let's have another example for this time. We try to solve. And our range selector knob is in times 1K or 1 kilo ohms. So, therefore, we have 13 ohms. But again, we will multiply it to 1 kilo ohms. So 13 times 1,000, we have 13,000 ohms.
Thank you.